Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to reset the Baofeng BF-888S radio. This is useful if you're having problems, want to clear out old settings, or are just starting fresh. Let's get started. Unfortunately, the Baofeng BF-888S doesn't have a simple, built-in reset button like some other radios. So, we'll use programming software. First, you'll need a programming cable and the appropriate software like CHIRP. You can usually find these online. Make sure you download the correct drivers for your cable. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step process. First, connect the programming cable to your computer and then to your Baofeng BF-888S. Turn on the radio. Open the CHIRP software. Next, you need to download the current configuration from your radio. Go to Radio in the CHIRP menu. Select Download from Radio. Choose the correct COM port for your cable. CHIRP will then read the current settings from your radio. This might take a few moments. After the download is complete, you will see all the channels and settings in the CHIRP software. Now, for the reset, we are not really resetting like you would on some other electronic devices. What we will do is erase all the channels and rewrite the default values. In CHIRP, go to each channel individually and delete them. An alternative to deleting each channel individually is to create a new memory image. This basically starts you with a blank slate, with no programmed channels. Next, rewrite the radio configuration. You can either program some basic frequencies into the radio, like FRS/GMRS channels if you are authorized to transmit on those bands. Or, you can simply write the blank configuration to the radio, which will effectively clear out any previously programmed information. To write the configuration, go to Radio and select Upload to Radio. Choose the correct COM port. CHIRP will now write the new, blank configuration to your radio. Wait until the process is completed before disconnecting the cable or turning off the radio. It's important not to interrupt this process. If you do, it can corrupt the radio's memory. Once the writing process is finished, turn off your radio and then turn it back on. Your Baofeng BF-888S should now be clear of the previous programming. Test the radio with a known frequency to ensure it's working correctly. If you want to program some channels later, connect the radio to your computer and use CHIRP to add the new channels. Remember to save a copy of your configuration in CHIRP before making any changes. This way, you can restore the previous settings if needed. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you reset your Baofeng BF-888S radio. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and sharing it. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. This helps support the channel and allows me to continue making helpful content for you. Until next time, stay safe and have fun.